This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay Later. To begin, ensure your device is updated and you have a debit card linked to Apple Wallet. Apple Pay Later allows you to split eligible purchases into 4 interest-free payments over 6 weeks. It's seamlessly integrated into your Apple Wallet, making it easy to access directly when checking out online or within supported apps. This feature provides a flexible way to manage your spending without incurring additional costs if payments are made on time. When you're ready to make a purchase, simply select Apple Pay at checkout. Then, choose Pay Later as your payment method. You'll be prompted to apply for a loan, which involves a soft credit check that won't impact your credit score. Carefully review the loan terms, including the 4 equal payments spread over 6 weeks, and confirm your acceptance. This quick process ensures you understand the commitment before finalizing your purchase. Managing your Apple Pay Later loans is straightforward and convenient, all within your Apple Wallet. Every loan and its corresponding payment schedule are clearly displayed there. Payments are automatically deducted from the debit card you linked during the application process. You'll receive helpful notifications before each payment is due, giving you the option to make a manual payment if you prefer, ensuring you stay on track with your financial commitments. One of the main advantages of Apple Pay Later is the ability to make interest-free payments with absolutely no fees, provided you make your payments on time. This service is available for purchases ranging from $50 up to $1,000. It's crucial to always ensure you can comfortably meet the payment schedule to avoid any potential late payment issues. This tool offers great flexibility when used responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.